Shwmai a chroeso. Welcome to your Mynediad course video recap.
Chris dwi.
A Carys dwi. In the second unit of your Mynediad course, you will have learned how to say I like using the phrase dwi'n lico or dwi'n hoffi. For example, dwi'n lico pêl-drod. I like football.
Or indeed, dwi'n lico rugby.
You have also learned the question, do you like? Wyt ti'n lico? For example, wyt ti'n lico gwin? Do you like wine? And the answer to the question, so it's either ydw, yes I do, or nac ydw, no I do not.
You have also learned how to say that you do not like something. Dwi ddim yn lico. For example, dwi ddim yn lico caws. I don't like cheese.
Chris, wyt ti'n lico canu?
Ydw, dwi'n hoffi canu. Dwi'n hoffi canu'n fawr. I like it a lot. Wyt ti'n hoffi canu, Carys?
Ydw, dwi'n lico canu, ond dwi'n canu'n ofnadw. Wyt ti'n lico gwneud sudoku?
Nac ydw. Dwi ddim yn hoffi gwneud sudoku o gwbl. I don't like sudoku at all. Mae'n anodd iawn.
Now then, you have learned both ti and chi forms when asking questions. For instance, when asking what do you like?
For example, if I was to ask the question to a group of people, I'd say, hey bawb, beth dych chi'n lico wneud?
Similarly, if I was talking respectfully or to an elderly person or asking someone in a formal context, I'd also use chi. Beth dych chi'n lico wneud? What do you like doing?
On the other hand, if you were asking a child or a single familiar person, you'd use ti. Beth wyt ti'n lico wneud? What do you like doing?
Chris, beth wyt ti'n lico wneud?
Dwi'n hoffi bwyta bwyd Indiaidd. I love a good curry. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi bwyta, Carys?
Dwi'n hoffi bwyta siocled.
You have also learned to ask what someone doesn't like. Beth dych chi ddim yn lico? For example, if I was asking, what don't you like to do? I'd say, beth dych chi ddim yn lico wneud?
Chris, beth dych chi ddim yn lico wneud?
Dwi ddim yn hoffi glanhau'r tŷ. I don't like housework. Beth dych chi ddim yn lico wneud, Carys?
Dwi ddim yn lico codi'n gynnar.
I don't like getting up early either, to be honest.
In this unit, you learned also how to talk about us using we are, dyn ni'n. For example, dyn ni'n dysgu Cymraeg. We are learning Welsh. Beth yw, what is, we are going for a walk yn Gymraeg.
Dyn ni'n mynd am dro.
Gwych. Beth yw, what is, we are playing football yn Gymraeg.
Dyn ni'n chwarae pêl-drod.
And to use chi in a similar question, so that's in a formal context, or if you're using the plural you, do you buy food would be, dych chi'n prynu bwyd? Dych chi'n gweithio dydd Gwener, Chris?
Ydw, dwi'n gweithio dydd Gwener, ond dwi ddim yn gweithio dydd Sadwrn. Now then, the final grammar point in this unit is using ble dych chi'n when asking about where someone does things. For example, where do you shop would be ble dych chi'n siopa. Ble dych chi'n siopa.
Chris, ble dych chi'n mynd dydd Sadwrn?
Dwi'n mynd i stadiwm y Liberty dydd Sadwrn.
Pwy sy'n chwarae? Who's playing? Swans or Ospreys?
Wel, y gwaelch, the Ospreys wrth gwrs.
Remember to use the online learning resources if you need further help with the vocabulary and exercises for this unit. Just visit the national website www.learnwelsh.cymru and go to Learning, Resources and then choose the relevant level and unit. Tan yr uned nesaf.
Pob hwyl.
Cacen, cacenau. Teisen, teisenau. Wythnos, wythnosau. Bwyd. caws. Cerdyn, cardiau. Cig. Criced. Dau. Dillad. Dydd, dyddiau. Gwin. Llaeth. Papur newydd. Pêl-droed. Radio. Siocled. Siwgr. Teledu. Tost. Bwyta. Canu. Chwarae. Dawnsio. Gweithio o gweitho. Gweld. Gwneud. Hoffi o lico. Mynd. Prynu. Siopa. Smwddio. Yfed. Ymddeol. Bendigedig. Coch. Gwyn. Neis. Newydd. Siŵr. Chwaith. Dim. Hefyd. Heno. Mynd am dro. Wrth gwrs. Ychyfu. Yfori.